Hi guys, this is Dylan from Florida, and I only have one of this Series 6 Connects character pack. I just got it for an early birthday present, but I can't tell who it is. Maybe for like the guys down there. Let me look at this back. What number is underlined? The underlined number 4. But this is going to give you an idea who is inside of here. I can't tell who's going to be inside here. Oh, I've got scissors sitting right here. It's open and I see who it is. For some reason, I can tell this.
I think you need to cut it again.
It felt really big or something. And I think the biggest character is the girls. Can I get a good looking peek in there, guys? Well, I'll still need to cut it open just a little. We'll cut that paper off. Yes. And here is it. And it comes with this, and that gives you, and it's gonna tell you who's inside of here. That's just my dog being crazy. Ha! It's the Paragoomba. Nothing else in the package. Well, that's cool. I got Paragoomba.